Ugandan health authorities are widening their surveillance, which could help in the detection of the newly reported monkeypox disease in different countries around the world. Now, authorities are on alert after the disease is reported in neighboring country DR Congo and are seeking technical support to deal with the eventuality or with any eventuality. Now, the border screening protocols between Uganda and DR Congo are still put in place to help monitor the situation. Here's more details of that in this report.
Uganda has not detected any case of monkeypox yet, but scientists are keeping a close eye on any spread of the virus. The disease is endemic in the DRC, and a recent outbreak has seen the virus spread to over 10 countries outside Africa. At least 58 people have died and over 1,000 have been infected with monkeypox in the DRC since the start of this year.
We do not have the reagents and supplies to test for it, but we are in contact with the DRC to send us some of what they use. We are also thinking of either having one or two people go and train from there. It wouldn't take very long to do a training, and then we start testing for the disease here.
Monkeypox is spread through close contact with an infected animal or person. Symptoms include skin rash, headache, fever, and body weakness. It can be fatal if not treated quickly. The virus is carried by animals like rodents and monkeys, and contact with these animals can lead to contraction of the disease. Monkeypox is common in the equatorial rainforests of Africa, in countries like the DRC, the Central African Republic, and Nigeria.
We have a very big number of animals and plants. The environment is good, and of course, with a big number of plants and animals, you would also expect a very big number of pathogens. So these are continuing to come out. And as the world becomes more and more particular about diseases, of course, more and more diseases are going to come out.
Trade and traffic between the DRC and Uganda is high, and scientists warn the risk of the virus spreading is too. Screening at the border, which was introduced during the COVID-19 pandemic, remains in place to prevent the spread of monkeypox. Those crossing are subject to checks and hand washing.